Hello everyone, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to cover the installation of Python as well as the PyCharm IDE for the Python programming. So let's start the installation. So let's first search for Python. We will go to our official Python website as you see here. So click on the download button. And as you see, currently they have the latest Python 3.9 here. I'm doing this installation on the Mac machine, but the steps are very similar on Windows machine as well as on Linux machine. So let's click on the download button here. This is going to install the package on my machine. Okay, so the package installation is done. Click on the package. It will ask you steps to follow to install the Python. I got agree, install. It's asking me my machine password. So enter the password. So by default, the Mac machine comes with Python version like 2.x, for example, 2.7, 2.8. But as the new Python release comes, it's better to um, use the latest Python version because it always have like the extra functionality added. Okay, so 3.9 installed. As you see, like previously I had like 3.a on my machine, so now I did 3.9. And Python comes with the shell environment to write the Python program. Like for example, when you click uh, here and you will see this shell environment, and you can run like some basic command here. Like for example, you say like print hey universe, and when you enter you see like it's printing the hey universe on the next line. So this is the basic shell environment come with Python, but today I'm going to talk about the very feature enriched tool for the Python programming is called PyCharm. I'm using that tool for some time, and I really like what feature is provided um, for the Python programming. So let's go on there. Um, so we search for PyCharm, go to the JetBrains website. Um, as you see this download button, click on the download, and for the PyCharm, they have like a two different version available. One is professional, one is community. In the professional, they have like a more like a web development support provided where you can write code using like in HTML, JavaScript, and there's a SQL support there as well. It's more of like a web development. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna cover the community version, and that is just pure use for pure Python development. So click on the download button here. Your download is started. It also asks if you want to subscribe with your email address. It's optional. You don't have to. So it's installing the package, basically downloading the package on the machine. Uh, so I like this PyCharm tool because I'm using this for some time, and the main thing is like if you are a person that like between the light color screen versus the dark screen, you can change that theme, you can change the font size. I will go over these the some of the preferences in the tool itself, but yeah, these are some functionality that you can also select. Okay, so the package is installed. Click on the package. Okay, so copy the PyCharm application into your application folder. Okay, so we don't need this. I'll go to my application folder, look for the PyCharm, launch the PyCharm application. Ask you like yes, open it. Okay, so it gives you the option, like for example, if you already have a project and then you want to open in PyCharm, so you can click on open. But here, let's click on the new project, and it will give you the default path where you want to save your project. You can change it. Um, I'll just use the default. It's in under my home directory. As you see, is the base interpreter is like 3.9 that we installed, so it's using that. Let's click on the create button. So this is going to set up the virtual environment for your project and a couple of other configuration. And it will give you like kind of a bare bone project structure with the project name that you selected when you are setting this up. And under that you can create new file, you can create like new directory, that basically like how you want to just set up your project structure. So it will give you that option. Yeah, as soon as it will be set up all these, I would like to show you a couple of command, like how you can run the Python program. So as you see, it basically create this project for you, like that you selected, and it has the virtual environment and the main file in there. So let's add like a one new file. So right click on Python project, select the Python file. You can give name, hey universe. So as you see, like so it created this file. So what I'm gonna do is like just again print that basic command. Okay, so it's not capital B's. So now I'm gonna run this file, and you see it print the hey universe. So that means our Python is up and running and it's working, and our PyCharm is also set up and it's using our latest Python that we installed. And that's how you write your code here. Left side is that's how you can organize your project, and at the bottom whenever you run your script it will show you the output here. Let's check a couple of options that I was talking about, the different themes. So like for example here in the preference you see appearance and behavior. So in the appearance you see this theme. You can even select like intelligent light, so it will be like the light color. I personally prefer the dark one, so I just choose this Dracula theme. um, you can also do like for example the font. For example, if you really like the big font, then you can change the number here, say apply and okay, so then it will give you the bigger font here. So yeah, so that's all about this tutorial. So download this on your machine, play around with it, let me know for any further questions. You can ping me on my email, or like you can put a comment um, in video. So thanks for watching again, and if you like this video, please press the like button on that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.